Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich, and guess what? Today we're gonna go climb Mount Cheam. All right, take a look. We just turned off the highway. Welcome to Chilliwack River Valley, and we're just gonna drive right up here. This is the Forest Service Road again, so all we'll be doing is we'll follow. I have my GPS kind of going, and like I said, after the first turn, it's good to download the map to it from BC Trails because it shows you, but I'm also gonna show you a bit. I'm not gonna have the camera on the whole time, otherwise I will definitely make you guys sick from the up and down. If you want to, you can always air down here as well. I'm gonna see how well the Forest Service Road here is graded. If it's graded well, then I mean, you don't really need to, but if it's really bad, I'm gonna air down. So as you can see, we're at our first river crossing. And when you're here, this is where you're gonna take your left. So you're gonna go that direction. Right there's actually a Chilliwack bench sign, recreational site sign, and then you'll see this bend in the road. You wanna go up, and you'll actually see a Mount Cheam sign. So that's where you're gonna go up. And as you can see, looks like it's gonna get a little bit steeper up here, but there is our Mount Cheam sign. So far, been pretty good. Sorry again for the up and down, just wanted to show you. So there is some, like, if you look up here, we're coming up to another divot. So you're gonna go up, then down, then back up. Oh. But yeah, there's lots of they're nothing too crazy obstacles, but it's bouncy obstacles. So another fork in the road. As you can see, it says Mount Cheam that way. Trailhead. See, there's a bunch of Jeeps up here. So coming up here, a lot of people are saying that you would need a four-wheel drive. I will tell you now, I did this whole thing in two-wheel drive. But what I will tell you is I did it on a very nice day in August. And that's probably when I'm gonna post this, is in August, so you can know that. But just so people know, but I don't want you to think that, hey, I can come here in the middle of December and I can do that, which you won't be able to. So let's get started and get to that trail map board over there. So as you can see, you are here. We're gonna go by Spoon Lake, down and up. It's not that crazy. I think it was like, what is it, 4.5 each way. So made it to the base. Time to start climbing up. That's not a bad view. Looks like we're getting there. Just continuing to walk up. Views all around. That's the hike. I'd rate the hike a good 7 out of 10 in difficulty. I mean, 8 is like the chief, and what else? Maybe Garibaldi's like a 9, but if you're looking for that 10 in difficulty, you can always go do the Golden Ear Summit. That thing's insane. And of course, West Lines I've heard is just as hard, so West Lines is a 10. So if you compare it to those, this is a good starter if you want to start like trying to summit. And there's a wicked view up here, you can't beat it. So definitely worth checking out. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more.